my name is Thomasena Brown, Senior Artistic Educator, Brand Expert, and Digital Team Member. I'm here to show you a fun, vivid technique. Prep the hair by spraying Purify and Revive Prime generously throughout the hair and allowing it to sit for 3 minutes. There is no shampoo or rinsing required. Divide the hair into PRAVANA's 4 standard quadrants. You want to part from behind one ear to behind the other ear, and then from nose to nape. Using your favorite global blonding technique, apply the lightning formula a ½ inch away from the scalp through the ends, lifting to a level 9. Once you have reached 70% of the lift, apply the same formula to the scalp. Now it's time for our Vivids application. Dividing the hair into the same PRAVANA standard 4 quadrants, apply ChromaSilk VIVIDS Yellow as a base. Then go back and take ½ inch subsections and apply the remaining of your ChromaSilk VIVIDS shades, about 1 inch apart, melting each shade into the next by blending the transition point between 2 fingers. For quick and easy styling, create twists by taking ½ inch sections, divide that section in half again, then begin to twist the 2 strands together counterclockwise until fully complete. Place the client under a medium heat until completely dry. Thank you all for watching today. I really appreciate it. If you would like more information and education, please visit pravana.com and follow me, your girl, at Sensations on Instagram.